Hello, and welcome back to Pat and Cat. As always, I am Pat, and Sherlock here is the cat. This episode, we are turning our attention to the magnum opus of cat training, teaching your cat to walk on a leash. So let's get started. The key to teaching this trick is to first allow your squeak box to get comfortable with wearing a harness. The best way to do this is by putting the harness on her and simply letting her roam around the house from time to time. This will help her to become more comfortable wearing the harness and will help to decrease the sensory overload upon venturing into the great unknown. While your results may vary, I will include links in the description down below with the equipment we have found most effective. Each harness is unique, so learning to put one on is ultimately a matter of practice and developing positive associations with the harness itself. Now that she has become comfortable with the harness, it is important that you and your bird bandit have a plan of attack before wandering out. We have found that having physical boundaries in mind help in providing clear communication to Sherlock where she is allowed to go and where she is not. Personally, I have always thought of the exercise as similar to exploring an open world video game, where Sherlock is allowed to venture anywhere she desires, but will find invisible walls that prevent her from wandering under a car, too close to a street, or from scaling a tree while in hot pursuit of some unfortunate squirrel. Eventually, your lizard lover will tucker herself out, and gently leading her home will be a trivial task. However, Sherlock and I have found that what you do upon arriving home can have a major impact on how easy it is to convince her to come home, as well as how easy it is to put the harness on. Even Sherlock was a bit rowdy while putting the harness on the first few times, but by always giving her treats while still wearing the harness after a walk, she has developed an association between the harness and getting a reward. Finally, with a little bit of practice and a healthy dose of patience, you and your cool cat can enjoy the curious stares of your neighbors while strutting your stuff on an evening stroll. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you all next time.